Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's on the mind of many small business owners and entrepreneurs, and that is how to make money on Etsy in 2023 without inventory. We know that having inventory can be a significant barrier for those who are just starting out or those who don't have access to the resources to invest in that inventory up front. But don't worry, there's several ways to make money on Etsy without having to invest in inventory, so stick around. You're going to find the best strategies to start earning money on Etsy in 2023, even if you don't have any inventory to sell. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Etsy, has become one of the most popular online marketplaces for buying and selling homemade and vintage items, as well as print-on-demand items. They have over 93 million active buyers with more than 4.5 million active sellers. It's an ideal platform for small businesses and entrepreneurs like you and me to make a lot of money online. But the biggest challenge for Etsy sellers, it's the need to have inventory on hand in order to sell the items. That can be a significant barrier for those who are just starting out or who don't have the resources to invest in the inventory up front. So thankfully, there are several ways to make money on Etsy without having to invest in inventory. Here are some strategies you can use to start earning money on Etsy in 2023, even if you don't have any inventory to sell. The first one is drop shipping. So drop shipping is a popular way to sell items on Etsy without having to invest. It's a business model where you partner with a supplier who's going to handle the storage, the packaging, and the shipping of your products to your customers. You simply list your products on your Etsy store, and when a customer places an order, you forward the order to the supplier who will then ship the product directly to the customer. That allows you to offer a whole wide range of products without having to worry about storing or shipping them yourself. It's pretty cool. One of the benefits of drop shipping is that it requires minimal investment. You don't need to purchase inventory up front, which means you can start your Etsy business with smaller investments. You also don't need to worry about the logistics of shipping and handling, which can be a significant burden for small business owners. On top of that, you can test different products and see which ones are popular with your customers without having to worry about being stuck with a lot of unsold inventory. So just remember, when you're drop shipping, essentially you're acting as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. So it's crucial to find a reliable supplier that offers good quality products, has a good reputation, and that will ensure that your customers receive their orders on time and in good condition, which is going to help to build a positive reputation on your Etsy shop. So make sure to research carefully, select the supplier, read the reviews, and ask for references before making any kind of partnership with them. So I think dropshipping is a really good way to make money on Etsy without having to invest in inventory up front because of the wide range of products, minimal investment, and it completely eliminates the burden of shipping and handling. But like I said, you do have to find that good supplier. Otherwise, you can run into a lot of trouble. If your customers aren't getting your products, they're not going to be very happy. All right, the second option is print on demand. This is another way to sell without any inventory. There's companies that allow you to create custom designs and print them on a variety of products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, hoodies, and more. The print on demand company is going to handle the production, storage, and shipping of the products, meaning you don't have to invest in any inventory up front. One of the biggest benefits of print on demand, one of my favorite business models, by the way, is that it allows for a low risk, low investment business model. You can create custom designs, you can test them on different products, and you don't have to invest a lot of money up front. On top of that, the print on demand company, they're going to handle all the heavy lifting for you. So you don't have to sit there and ship out 1,000 items or have a big warehouse full of it. So when using print on demand services, you want to make sure that you choose a reputable company, and they have to offer high quality products. You should also consider the cost of the products as well as the shipping costs, and the company's turnaround time is very important. So again, be sure to read reviews, ask for references before choosing a print on demand service. And on top of that, you want to ensure that your designs are original and that importantly, you have the right to use them in order to avoid any legal issues. So I think it's a great option for people who want to sell custom products on Etsy too without investing in any inventory up front, because of the low risk, low investment business model, the elimination of the burden of production, storage, and shipping. But again, you have to find a good company, otherwise you're going to be in trouble. You don't want your customers pissed off at all. So on top of that, you got to consider the base costs. Some companies offer different costs for base and shipping. So that's going to be one of the variables that you're going to take into account. All right, the third product is digital products. So selling digital products on Etsy is another great way to invest without any inventory. That includes things like photos, digital art, ebooks, printable templates, and more. These products can be created and sold with minimal overhead, making them a great option for those who don't have any inventory to sell. So I think one of the main benefits of selling digital products is there's like no overhead costs. So unlike physical products, these don't require a cost of production, storage, or shipping. That means you can start selling digital products with minimal investment. And on top of that, they're easily scalable, meaning you can sell as many copies as you want without incurring any additional costs. That's huge. So when you're selling digital products on Etsy, you have to make sure that you have the rights to use the images, designs, and content that you're selling. You should also ensure that your digital products are, of course, high quality and easy to use. And you want to clearly describe the product, including the resolution, file format, and everything else in your listing. You also want to offer maybe additional customer support in case your customers have any questions or issues with your product. So I think overall, selling these digital products on Etsy is a great way to make money without having to invest in any inventory. They have low overhead costs, easily scalable, and can be created and sold with hardly any investment at all. But again, make sure you got the rights to use the images or the designs and content that you're selling, and that your products are high quality and easy to use. On top of that, throw in some customer support so you can ensure that your customers are satisfied with your products. All right, the fourth option is affiliate marketing. Now, most people don't know about this, but another way to make money on Etsy without having to invest in inventory is through affiliate marketing. This is a business model where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. That means you don't have to worry about creating, storing, or shipping products. As a product owner, they're going to handle all of that. One of the biggest benefits of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't really require any investment. You don't need to invest in inventory. You don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about handling. You don't have to worry about customer service. And on top of that, you can promote a wide range of products, which means you can find the products that are most relevant to you and your target audience, and you can sell them that. So when using affiliate marketing on Etsy, it's important to make sure that you choose products that are relevant and that you promote them in an ethical way. So you should also make sure that you disclose that you are using affiliate links in your promotions. On top of that, you should also check commission rates and terms and conditions of the affiliate program to make sure that you are still getting a good deal. So affiliate marketing is a great way to make money on Etsy without having to invest in inventory. You just sell everybody else's products. It requires minimal investment, allows you to promote a wide range and stuff that's relevant to your audience. And again, just make sure that you promote products in an ethical way, disclose that you're using an affiliate link, and just check in with the commission rates on the affiliate program and the terms and conditions to make sure you're doing everything on the up and up. Now, where can you go to get into Etsy's affiliate program? If you go to the bottom of the screen on the main page, there's a link that says affiliates right there. Go check it out. Most people don't even know about it. All right, the fifth way is services. So offering services on Etsy is another great way to make money without having to invest in any inventory. That can be stuff like graphic design, social media marketing, photography, and more can be offered on Etsy as well. That allows you to utilize your skills and expertise to help other Etsy sellers and make money. Think of it like mock-ups or stuff like that. That'll be a service that you can provide. So one of the benefits of this is that it allows you to leverage your skills and expertise. And on top of that, it allows you to offer a wider range of products than if you were just selling physical products. So that means you can diversify your income streams and increase your chances of making money. One cool thing that I saw the other day was a lady was selling keywords on Etsy, like lists of them. And I'm like, really? That's quite the service you got there. And apparently it's very easy to do. She did some research, put together some lists, and came up with some keywords, put them on her store and sold them. And I was like, wow. So I think that's a very cool spin on it. But, excuse me, when you're offering service on Etsy, you have to clearly communicate the scope and of the service, delivery time, and cost in your listing. On top of that, you want to make sure to have a clear understanding of the pricing and be transparent about it. You should also make sure you have a good portfolio of your previous work to showcase to potential customers. And you should be responsive and communicate with your customers throughout the process to make sure they're satisfied with the service you provided. So offering services on Etsy is a great way to make money without having to invest in inventory. You can leverage your skills, your expertise. You can help other Etsy sellers and make money. So it also allows you to diversify your income streams and increase the chances of making money, but you want to clearly communicate the scope of the service, the delivery time, and the costs in your listings. So you also want to have a clear understanding of the pricing and be transparent about it. Have a good portfolio of your previous work and be responsive and communicate with your customers throughout the entire process. So that's it. That's my 5 points. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video on how to make money on Etsy in 2023 without inventory helpful. Remember, by using strategies like drop shipping, print on demand, digital products, affiliate marketing services, you can start earning money on Etsy without having to invest anything up front. So don't forget to hit the like button if you found the video helpful. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to stay updated on my future videos. If you have any other questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.